Dam. What I have here is Kayla and our driver. Not really. The chauffeur.
Uber.
Say hi. Kayla is visiting from Chicago. Our pamangkin. No. Our apo. So only this time na makakapunta kami doon because if we have some visitors coming over, so that's the only time that we go to these places. I'm going to show you how Hoover Dam looks like and how beautiful it is. So we're back, guys. We are now here in Hoover Dam. We're gonna go down and take some pictures too.
This was
when was this built?
It started 1933.
Okay.
It was done, I think, about 3 years. 1935, 36.
And so what was the movie? Like when they did Salma Hayek's movie?
Why are you asking me?
I don't know the trivia question.
Salma Hayek's movie. We
We
just watched it like a while ago.
sung by Elvis Presley. What was that? I forgot. Look at this.
Look
see
at
this?
the, yeah.
See that one?
Oh, nice.
And they said, look at the stars. They are tiny. Tiny.
Oh, nice. It's cool, yeah.
This one, the right side. Huh? History.
It's a history.
Taylor saw it when she's 24. My
Yeah.
God, you're better than me. So I saw this when I was 50.
I saw this 12 years ago. What is
Look at
this?
that man.
This is the visitor center, right?
Yeah.
Look at those rock formations. I think we should park. Over there? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, no, you can't.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Dapat kasi inapos ka dyan sa nakapay.
Yeah. Dapat nga.
Walang parang
Hindi, ano.
sama na
So,
kasi baka nanunungin doon.
kaya nga.
Hey everybody, we're here at the Hoover Dam.
Alrighty. Yeah, nice. Look at that. Uh-huh. This is like, what do you call that? The border. Okay, guys. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's so nice.
Look at those cars. And we have a lot of tourists in here too. And Kayla is one of the tourists. Right?
Oh, very busy today.
Yeah, very busy today. And we're enjoying
The beautiful
the
sun.
beautiful sun. Okay, so right now here we are on the viewing area. There you go.
Look at this.
Nice. Here you go, guys. So here's the lake.
Can you see it right there? Yeah, now you can see it.
Nice. I'm gonna take you some pictures so that you can send it to your mom.
Okay.
kay Kayla. So, here, I'm gonna take a picture of you here. I like that one. Like, I wish we could. I know. We'll definitely come back here.
Yes. Spent the full day.
Yeah, I spent a whole day, but it's so much better. I think if it's like, you know, springtime
Yeah,
or
not too
fall,
hot.
not too hot. Yeah, but definitely.
110 today.
Yeah, there's a lot of people in here, like tourists. We having fun?
Yes. I love Vegas. Yes. Soon enough.
Yeah. See more people coming.
Yeah, it's getting busy.
I'm not liking the weather though. You like it?
Love-hate relationship.
Oh my god. What's he doing? Sobrang init. Parang hindi ko kasi kaya. Ilan ba? 110 degrees?
Oo. Only.
Only 110 degrees.